How many of y'all thought that was my hair? Anyway, welcome back. My name is Habiba if you're new here. This is a unit from HerGivenHair, and yes, I've had this for months, which is why it looks like this. It has been straightened, it has been blow dried, it has been curled, so she needs some love and care. So I'm just putting it on to show you without properly installing it. A hot mess, I know. Don't be fooled. With a little bit of moisture, your favorite conditioner or shampoo, this hair is back. This is 100% human hair, virgin human hair, high quality wig. While washing and conditioning it, I try to be very gentle, especially around the lace, and this wig has really held up for months. To style the wig, I decided to put it on a mannequin head. I just find it easier with some T-pins, because I could style it on my head. You know, you can do twists on your head while wearing the wig, but it's a lot easier on a mannequin head that's attached to a stand. If you know anything about the natural hair community and wigs, then you know HerGivenHair is quite expensive, but I think you get what you pay for because they are serving you some major realness, all right? This hair looks and feels like natural human hair. And on their website, they have so many different options, kinky hair, textures, different cuts, different shapes, different lengths. There's just so many different options. And I'm sure if you want to try a wig, if your hair is short and you can't wait for it to get long, or you just want to give your natural hair a break, this is definitely a great option. And as you can see, this is the Embrace My Coily Life wig that I'm going to be working with in 3C for a texture, and it's 18 inches long. And it is absolutely beautiful. And like I've said before, I've had this for several months. It's been through a lot, but she bounces back. She bounces back. You definitely get your money's worth. All right, so I'm just gonna part it. There was a part there before, but I'm just sort of redefining it. And this wig is basically a T-part lace wig. So it has a narrow strip of lace, which makes it a lot cheaper than your full lace wig. But it also makes it easier to work with. So here in the back, I'm using my fingers to part sections. I just find that using my fingers with curly hair works a lot better. There's less damage to the hair, pretty much like I would with my own natural hair. Now you're going to need some pudding or twisting cream, whatever you prefer. I have a few options that I use on my hair or my daughter's hair, and it works perfect on this hair. So I'm also going to use some mousse, even though you will see I kind of ran out of mousse. I didn't realize it. So the curling pudding or the heavy creams will actually be quite sufficient. So yeah. The mousse has lost its foam, but there was still, you know, some solution coming out. And then I add my cream and then rake it through the hair, exactly as I would with my natural hair. So use a liberal amount of the cream or the holding pudding. And then I just start twisting. So I just twist it quite firmly, just like I would my natural hair. And I just like, again, how easy it is to do it while the wig is on a mannequin head. But again, you can certainly do this while wearing the wig. How juicy is that curl? Look at that twist. And this is it with 2 twists. And I've done the whole first layer in the back. So beautiful, so natural. And don't you love the ombre? Look at this ombre. Like, I love how the roots are dark and then we kind of, you know, get this lovely reddish brown color at the ends. So I'm just going to keep doing that, sectioning off with my hands or fingers. And you just got to be patient. It doesn't take long at all. It actually took me a little over an hour to do the whole head. This wig is quite thick, but it reminds me of my own hair, honestly, because I have pretty thick hair. And of course, it actually would have been faster if I wasn't filming, because every time, you know, you stop with the camera, you move, you turn, it makes the process a little bit longer. But honestly, it's quite easy and you just have to take your time and yeah. So again, I rake in the product, a little bit of mousse, a little bit of the hair pudding, make sure you comb it out well, and then twist very tightly all the way to the end. How cute is that curl? When I get to the hairline, I intentionally pull out a few strands of hair that I won't twist so that that hair can blend in with my hairline. And here I'm on the top of the wig. I've added some product, and I just wanted to show you can also use a denim-like brush if you have one. And then twist, twist, twist. We're on the last twist. It looks so natural. Y'all, I was just in love with these juicy twists. Just look at that. They're absolutely beautiful. And I think with or without color, if you get this hair, with or without color, it's equally beautiful because the quality of the hair is just so good. So good. This is me looking very basic. About 7 months ago, I big chopped my hair and cut off my long relaxed hair. So we are all natural. Now, usually I cornrow or braid my hair under a wig, but today I didn't feel like it. So we're just gonna do this lazy girl method and put my hair into twist and then just pin them in the back. So I'm just basically trying to show you that you don't have to do too much underneath your wig as long as your foundation is as flat as possible. So a few hair grips will do the trick. So I'm pretty happy that I'm able to put all that hair under a stocking cap. But again, ideally, it's best to have your hair braided, small braids, so that your foundation can be pretty flat. That's what makes it look super natural. But we're gonna make this work. We're gonna make it work. A little makeup doesn't hurt either. Okay now. Here she goes. Here she goes. Let's put her on. All right, so I just wanted to show you the inside. You can see the T-part lace, which is 13 inches by 1 inch. And it has 3 combs. It has a couple of elastic bands to help you secure the wig. And I'm just trying to pull the wig down and push the comb in at the back, because I'm not actually going to glue this wig down at all. You guys, if you've been following me, you know that I generally don't glue my wigs down. I prefer to wear them behind my hairline because I think it looks more natural for me. And I also don't wear my wigs overnight. So this is what it looks like. I haven't done any styling. I haven't done anything to the parting. It is just simply placed on my head with the combs and the elastic band. So we're gonna need to work on that parting. We're gonna try to get it to look a little bit more natural. So I'm pulling out a little bit of hair in the front, just in the front, just a little bit, and that's gonna cover the lace. So you can see it from a different view here. I'm gonna brush that or comb that over the lace, and you're really not gonna see it. You see, there's the other side. Doesn't that look better already? So now I'm just gonna add some Eco Styling Gel and brush that really well. You know, nothing too major. I'm not doing any major baby hairs because that's what's great about this hair. You really don't have to, you know, try too hard because the hair just blends in with your natural hair if you're a natural girl. Okay, so it is set. And now I'm just adding a little bit of concealer to make that parting pop and just to sort of disguise the demarcation between the wig and my hair. Do you see? Do you see? So I was really liking these twists. I didn't even want to unravel them. I was like, let's see what we can do with them. Let's put on those earrings. What? All right, let me just do like a swoop with the twists. I love it. Okay, let's add a little bit of jewelry. You know, the $1 jewelry from the beauty shop? Totally elevates these twists. And so simple. Like seriously, how cute is this hair jewelry? I was absolutely in love with these twists. I was like, you know, if I stepped out right now, nobody would suspect this is not my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. Do you see any wig? No, I don't see a wig. I see my hair. Let's go ahead and pull this hair to the back. Look how cute that bun is. Come on now. Look how cute that bun is. That's my hair, right? That is my hair. Okay, let's try a headband. Please tell me that's not beautiful. And again, this is the Embrace My Coily Life wig by HerGivenHair. I am serving you major realness. Like what? Anyway, let's see if this baseball hat will fit and still look natural. Yes, it does. You can see this hair is molded to my head, not going anywhere. Okay, let's try this Ankara with a twist, which you can wear in so many different ways. It's up to you. I like. What do you think? After having all that fun with the twists, let's go ahead and undo them. So I'm just going to pull off the jewelry and then part the twist in two sections. It makes it just easier to work. And now I'm just going to unravel them. And it's really simple. I was really surprised how easy they just came undone. Now, of course, I let these twists dry overnight and I put them out in the sun because I really wanted to make sure they were nicely defined. So yeah, just be careful. Don't undo them if the hair is damp, especially with all that product. Just look how beautiful these waves are. Oh my goodness, I couldn't wait. So let's do the second side. And here we have the twist all undone, but I haven't really fluffed it out. So I just want you to see what it looks like when I undid the twists. As I said before, because the hair is not glued down and it's behind my hairline, a hair grip helps for extra security. And here's the back. For extra volume, I'm going to go ahead and undo the twists further. If you like hair tutorials like this, definitely check out my playlist. I have a hair playlist. I'll leave it in the description box. So you can see the difference once you further separate the twists, how much fuller one side looks, right? And voila, we are done. Juicy twists have arrived. Definitely check out their sale. I will leave it in the description box below. Look how real this looks, y'all. Just look how real and bouncy and pretty this looks. Absolutely love it. And I also wanted you to see that the color outside looks a little different than what you were seeing previously. So it's a little bit more reddish brown in my case. But I love all the different colors it's giving me in different lights. Which did you prefer, the twist or the twist out? Let me know. And definitely find me on Instagram if you're not already following me. Thank you and bye.